Craft Adventures here with Coco.
Hi.
56780. All right. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi.
Today we are going to play Crafting Mama.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm not controlling. Oh god! I'm stuck.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm stuck. I can't. I'm stuck.
I'll beat you in Crafting Mama then.
All right, back. All right. All right. I saved myself.
Come join a game.
Yeah.
We're gonna join Farmland Fires.
Hell's Hero. Oh
No,
no,
Farmland
Farmland Fires. All right, I'm here.
Did you join?
Yeah,
Join the
I'm here.
island. You sound like you're singing the Skyrim theme song.
Oh,
Okay, started.
What's my thing? 1 and 2. Oh no, 12. Never mind. Spazzing out there. I'm gonna be in 12th place. That means.
Where are all those zombie pigmen?
I wish it did that.
Person, I want gold.
Doesn't do whatever.
There's a zombie pigman.
Oh, my dad keeps calling me. Yeah, Dad, what? She's here. She's at home. Bye.
Oh, but why is everyone killing all the zombies?
Now Zach FaceTime me. Zach wants to Skype me, apparently.
Okay.
So annoying.
Well,
He's not FaceTiming me, but I got him his FaceTime call for him. Yo. Hey.
Where are all the zombie pigmen? Oh my god, why is everyone killing them? Leave me alone. Oh my god, Nick, I'm taking that gold.
No, screw you.
I didn't take anything.
Maggold.
Get away from my land.
I got a poisonous potato. Even though they're not worth that much, but whatever. Still got a poisonous potato. I got a poisonous potato. You're not allowed in my house. This is my house. Why? Fine. Come in my stinking house.
I hate your house.
I hate your house. I didn't make my house. They chose it for me.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Where is my kitchen?
Where's my kitchen? I don't have a kitchen. I don't have a living room. All I have is a kitchen.
I want my kitchen. Where's my house? I forgot to
look. Mushrooms too, and I will be with you. Mushrooms too. Something.
Oh, there must be seven.
Mushrooms too.
What's a hut that doesn't have many people in it? Wide open. Where is it? I'm like failed. I can't put anything in. It's like 2 minutes.
I think 12 doesn't have anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna get like 0 points because I can't find my hat. Totally gonna beat me. Where is my hut? Seriously, this is impossible. It's only like 12, and I can't even find. Oh, it is my hut. Okay, great. Where am I? 11.
Alright.
I'm just gonna what I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna put everything I have in the chest and be like, hey guys, I got 12 points because I didn't worry about crafting. I just took a bunch of really low stuff with points, with almost no points in the thing. Oh wait, I should make bread. Cause let's make bread. Cause
I just made a whole bunch of bread. Because I need bread. Pickle 2 baked potatoes. Never forget about
I had exactly enough wheat to make 16 bread. I'm not kidding. Exactly the right amount of wheat to make 16. Bread's worth like nothing. Well, I should probably kill some.
I'm gonna make some sugar.
Just gonna make a bunch of sugar cane now.
Sugar. Ah. Alright, let's see. Baked potatoes. Yeah. I'm actually doing so
I
good.
get rich with sugar cane.
I actually might win. Oh no, I didn't.
No, I'm not gonna win. I'm not even gonna close to win. I put in like literally like 18 stacks of sugar cane.
I'm so mad. Oh god, I exploded, I think.
You were better than me though.
Yeah, I did one better than you.
I exploded.
I'm holding my own blood. Oh, I just got nausea for a second. That's it for today, guys. Bye. Anna, do you want to say bye?
Bye.